Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So following the last video, I'm just going to use this candy coat kit. I'm actually going to use bits from both of them, but this gel pen I had to use. I absolutely love the shimmer pink. Even though the shimmer ain't too prominent, I thought I'm going to go ahead and do a really simple set with this today using some floral foils and the Builder Gel jelly tip technique. I know some of you guys may have seen it with Kiara Sky. Femi Beauty does it quite a lot as well, so I thought I'd give it a go for this video. So after prepping my nails, which I'm getting really good at, guys, my cuticles are looking banging okay lately, so I'm getting there, I'm getting better, but I will still continue to do nails just for myself and like close family and friends, just so I'm not like, you know, taking on some strangers' nails and then like mashing it up and they're like, I'm gonna sue you, okay? So no, that's not gonna happen. So yes, after doing my cuticles and doing my primer and dehydrator, I go in with the Candy Coat base, apply that to all the nails, and then I cure for 60 seconds. These are the tips I'm going to be using. They're full cover sculpted Coffin, and honestly the guys on my TikTok have been absolutely loving this, making purchases on the website. So if you guys do love this, make sure you check out my website because you can get them. And I'm going to be totally transparent with you guys. I work with AliExpress vendors basically because I'm always getting the same questions. Where'd you get this? Where'd you get that? Can you send me the link? I just put everything on a website and, you know, I make a little bit of change off of it, okay? So if you're familiar with AliExpress, you can shop on my website and it would support me a little bit more, and I really appreciate it. Okay, so onto the nails. What I've done is I've added a really thin layer of Builder Gel onto my nail, and then I also put a little blob on the cuticle end of the full cover tips. You want to avoid any air bubbles which cause lifting. So what you do is basically you put it down by your cuticle and you push the gel up towards your free edge. Once you can see that there's no air bubbles in there, once you can see that there's no air bubbles, just hold it under the UV. I do each nail for like 15 seconds under there, and then I'll give it like a full 60-second cure when all the nails are done. So I end up going in with another Builder Gel. This one I got off AliExpress. It's not on my website, but I use it so much that I thought I absolutely needed like a bigger pot of it, so I ended up getting this. But yes, that's it. It's like the easiest set of sculpted nails that I've ever done. It was so effortless. And I've had it on for a couple days now. I'm doing this voiceover like a couple of days later and they're still looking good. I'm looking at them right now. They're still looking super epic. So I would recommend this for anyone that isn't great at like sculpting polygel or doesn't like the smell of monomer, you know, doesn't have too much time. I mean, honestly, I'm a mum of two and finding time to do these videos and do my TikTok and work on my Instagram is like such a constant struggle. So I totally understand if you don't have time and you just want like really good nails for the week that don't pop off or whatever. This will be a very good technique for you. This is what they look like when it's done, and then I go in and cure for the 60 seconds. Okay, now because they're looking, you know, still a bit press-on-y and we want them to be a bit more, you know, salon profesh, hashtag profesh, we go in with a Cuticle Bit from 𝘠𝑚, and I don't know why I'm saying we, like there's like multiple people, but I know I'm talking to you guys, you know, I'm talking to myself, but I'm talking to you guys, okay? So yeah, no, I go in with the Cuticle Bit and all I'm doing is just making sure that there's no like hard edge from the sculpted nail down to my cuticle. And honestly, I was so nervous about this bit, but once I started using it, changed the game. Okay, change the game. So it's definitely going to be a bit that I'm using for like every set. I think in my mind I was like, I'm sure there's one bit that I can use and, you know, it'll get the job done and it'll be fine. But no, there are different bits for a reason, okay? And honestly, if you get used to using the different bits, your nails it will be completely different, okay? And you will start loving your sets a bit more. The shape will be a lot better. So after I'm done with the cuticles, I go in with my brush and just get rid of the excess dust, and then I start buffing. I would definitely recommend buffing your nails, even if they look perfect and you just kind of want to put gel on. No, I'm gonna say to definitely buff, because there are times where I've put gel over, you know, the shiny nail, and the gel has started to separate and like form like holes. It just separates from itself. So I'm not really sure why that happens, but once I started buffing, I noticed that I just started getting a more even coat on all the nails. So definitely buff, okay? But look how convenient this gel pen is. Pop, twist, and apply. That's it. No redipping in varnish bottles, no mess. So I actually love it. And then when you want some more, you just twist the end again. Like, it's beautiful. At first I was a bit skeptical, like, oh, you know, something new, you know, I don't like change. But no, it actually works so beautifully. And I did end up doing 3 coats, so you guys will see me doing 3 coats, but I do go through it quite quickly, okay? After that, I just clean up the edges and cure for 60 seconds and then go on to do my other 2 coats. Okay guys, I wanted to give you like a quick motivational talk. I know, get the violins out, I know. Here we go. No, but seriously, okay, when I started this journey, I had no idea what was gonna happen. Like, if my YouTube was gonna pop, if my Instagram was gonna pop. I didn't even know I was gonna have a TikTok. Like, TikTok was non-existent in my life before I started doing nails. But long story short, my videos haven't been doing great this past week, so I was like, you know, trying to figure out what I could do better. Had about 3,000 followers and woke up today to 27k. So the moral of the story, guys, is just don't doubt yourself, stay consistent, and things will happen that you just didn't even think. Like, so yes, look at this beautiful foil. This is what I'm going to use. When I saw this, it's a must. You know this, guys, it's a must. And I actually liked the gradient that it has on it. It's like a purple to pink gradient on the foil, so I thought I'd keep that as the theme of the nails. I know a lot of people just, you know, put their foils in different ways and make it look like, you know, kind of random and abstract-y kind of thing. So I was like, you know, I want to kind of keep it looking a bit purposefully placed. So yeah, I go in with my transfer glue, cure that for 60 seconds, let it stand for a little bit. You don't want to go in straight away with your foil, just let it dry out a tiny bit, and then pop your foil on the way you want. And then I use my, I'm going to call it the rubber tool, okay, because I have no idea what this is called. The foil rubbing tool. Let's just call it that, because at some point I will know these official names for these different nail tools, but for now, you know, let's name them ourselves. It's fun, okay? But yeah, once I finished doing all the rubbing, and honestly, I'm not even joking, I'm so extra, like I feel like it's not it's not done, so I rub it for so long. So I did end up editing and skipping and time-lapsing some of it, just so you're not like, hello Astrid, I think it's done. But yeah, I do the same thing to all the nails. At first I was thinking maybe I should just coat all the nails in foil glue, cure it, and then do all the foils. But then I thought I didn't want hairs sticking to the nails as I'm doing the other nails, and when I'm rubbing it, it's going to be just, you know, gathering dust. So I would definitely recommend doing one nail at a time. It was super quick though, honestly. I think without editing, this video was no longer than 45 minutes. Yeah, and honestly, I was taking my time, and again, I'm new to all of this, so I kind of still have to think things out and make sure my lighting is okay, make sure my camera is okay. But if I was just doing it for myself, it wouldn't take so long, because I'll just be, you know, chilling on my bed doing it or something. So yeah, guys, I honestly ended up loving this set. You have to see the end result. Perfect spring summer nails. I'm loving them, okay? I am actually going to continue to give you some more spring summery nails as, you know, we are in the season. But yes, I'm going to try and branch out and do maybe some yellows. I'm getting yellow, so I don't know if my next set might be yellow. Okay, I think I like to, you know, stick to my words. So look out for the next video. I'm gonna give you a yellow set, okay? I'm nervous, but we'll do this, okay? I don't know what technique I'm gonna do. I kind of make these videos up as I go along, honestly. Sometimes I look at other people's work and then I'm like, ooh, I should do something like that, and then end up making up something completely different, and I just kind of do it as I go along. So yeah, I experiment a lot on TikTok, and then if I like one little nail that I done, then I'm like, ooh, I should do a whole set of this for YouTube. So yeah, that's how I technically come up with my ideas. But yes, guys, on to the last nail. And it was looking so pretty, but after doing this one, I then go in with my top coat. You want a top coat just so you don't scrape your nail along something and it chips away at your foil, okay? It's just basically the protector of all nails, okay? Going in with the top coat now, again from Candy Coat. I have been loving all the little bits in that set. I don't know if you guys caught that I used their Prep Clean Swipe liquid as well earlier in the video. But yes, no, honestly, that kit is ready made for beginners. Again, if you didn't catch that video, I'm going to pop it in the cards up here. Boop. Yes, and yeah, no, it's just a super easy kit. Even without the foils, the nails were looking so good. I was so tempted to leave it like that, but I was like, no, let's have more. Okay, so I go in and make sure that all the nails are coated, cure it for 60 seconds, and then I add a little bit of bling. Don't forget to subscribe as well. If this is the first time you're watching anything on my channel, do let me know. Let me know your age and where you come from. You know, I like to know a bit about you guys just so I can, you know, tailor the experience a bit more. But yes, I would absolutely appreciate you guys if you can hit that notification bell, drop a comment, you know, you can drop a little like right now, you know. But yes, no, I would love for you guys to continue supporting me and I can continue to give you guys beautiful nails. But yes, let's go on to some gems. So these are the ones that I chose, just nice and basic pink, and I thought I would just do a clean cut cuticle design, okay? I know you've seen it 100 times before, but I didn't want to overcrowd the design. But you know me, like I need some bling, okay? So it was gonna happen, okay? So yes, after just doing a little bit on the nails, I fix up the gems a little bit just so they're not looking a bit crazy and all over the place. And I do only add gems to this one nail. Again, I wanted to keep it simple and not have it, you know, looking a mess. So yeah, I just finished putting the gems on this nail and cure it for 60 seconds. And then I go in with the Candy Coat cuticle oil, which I absolutely love. It smells so amazing. Again, from the kit in the last video. And that's it, guys. That's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Again, if you haven't, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell and leave me a comment. Look how beautiful it turned out. I was loving it. Added a little dreamy effect because it was giving me dreamy vibes. But yes, thank you, Candy Coat. And thank you guys for watching.